I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making Payday bars. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I gotta tell you, Payday bars have been high on my list of favorite candy bars for a long time now. That salty, sweet, nutty, crunchy, creamy, chewy combo just really appeals to me, and probably to a lot of you. So tonight we're going to see if we can recreate that experience right here in the candy kitchen. And stick around after the recipe for a little history of the Payday bar, including its connection to macaroni. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of coarsely chopped peanuts, 2½ tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 10-ounce bag of peanut butter chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 cups of miniature marshmallows. You'll also need a saucepan, a spoon or spatula, an 8x8 pan, some parchment, and some cooking spray. Okay, let's make some candy. Line and lube your 8x8 pan. Pour half of the peanuts into the pan. And set it aside. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the butter and peanut butter chips. Stir until everything is melted and smooth. Then add the sweetened condensed milk and marshmallows. The sweetened condensed milk is going to cook down into a sort of dulce de leche and give the candy a nice caramel flavor. Again, stir until everything is melted and smooth. Pour the mixture over the peanuts. Then sprinkle the remaining peanuts over the top of the candy. Place a piece of parchment paper over the peanuts and lightly press them into the candy. Put it in the fridge until firm. I let mine sit overnight. Then cut the candy into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Slancheva. Man, these are good. Crunchy peanut, chewy caramel, salty and sweet. I think this filling has a little more peanut butter flavor than the original candy bar, but that is not a complaint. You can even dip this in chocolate if you'd like. Though you might be surprised to hear me say that I don't recommend it. These are perfect just the way they are. If you're a fan of Payday bars or really any other type of salted nut bar, you really ought to try these. The Payday bar was created in 1932 by Frank Martocchio, owner of the Hollywood Candy Company. Legend has it that as he and his team were struggling to find a name for this candy, someone said, "Hey, today's Payday," and the name just sort of stuck. During the Depression, the Payday was sold as a meal replacement due to the high protein content of the peanuts. In 1988, it was acquired by the Leaf Candy Company, who promoted their new candy bar by including a real US nickel in every package. In 1996, rights to the Payday bar were acquired by, who else? The Hershey Company. Oh, and that macaroni connection I mentioned? Well, before he started the Hollywood Candy Company, Frank Martocchio was the founder of the F.A. Martocchio Macaroni Company. I'd say he made a good decision in moving from pasta to peanuts. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time, where I help you make tasty... Legend has it that as he in this in 1988, oh, and that macaroni connection.